Hey again and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. So in the previous video we forked an repository or this repository from that user Kong and we copy it in our repository. So now we will go to this repository and we will learn how, for example, to add it in our local repo or to our machine and basically to clone it. So if you want to copy it or to install it or download it in our machine, it's simple clone as if it's our. We click on clone or download, and here we use SSH or HTTP. For us, let's use SSH. Click on this icon to copy that link, and now we will go to our bash. First, let me go out of my website repo. Now let's click git clone and paste that URL. Hit enter, and basically it will download to our machine. So here cloning into, and with the same name, Carbonate Ingress Controller. He is copying it or downloading it to our machine. So now it's cloning complete. So now if we see or check, we see that the cloning is complete successfully. So now let's go inside it. Carbonate, let's hit enter. Let's make it clear. So now we are inside project and we reach branch master. If we want to see all the branch here, it tells us, I think it's 9, so it's 9 branch. So git branch, hit enter, git branch dash a, and here it tells us all the branch that he has, but he delete remote. Those are all in a remote in here. So let's create a new one. Git checkout dash b. Let's name it, for example, change. Let's hit enter. Now he will create new branch and go on it. So now git branch without dash a, and it will that we have 2 branches. Let's for example edit some file and then let's see how to push it again. So for me, I will use my code editor, Visual Code, and to open it with just this short command, hit enter, and it will be open. For you can use whatever you want as a code editor. So now we see that it's open in our code editor. So here all the folder in this project and all the file. So let's just go to readme. We will make just change in the readme file, and let's go to the bottom and let's just add some line. So just go in here, let's make dash new line added. Let's save it now and let's go back to our git bash. So now if we see git status, it will tell us that this file is being updated. readme, see, readme is being modified. So now let's commit it with git. I will use express commit since this project is already being tracked. Dash edit in readme file. Let's commit it and it will be commit successfully. So now let's push it, and since this we made the modification or the update just in this branch, so let's just push this branch with git push dash u origin, and the name of the branch it's change. Let's hit enter, and now this branch it will be pushed to our repository. See here, new branch change. So now let's just make sure of it. For example, here in the readme file we will not find this the line that we add because we are in the master branch. But let's go to this new branch, change. Yeah, there, here it is, change. Now let's go to the readme. Yeah, new line added. So now we know how to fork another repository, or how to clone another repository to our repository, and then to clone it to our local machine, updating it, and then to push it back to the GitHub repository. So this is all for this video, and see you